What if you could buy a single rifle bullet seating die that would seat bullets ranging in calibers from .22 caliber to .338? That's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. Gavin here from UltimateReloader.com. What I have here is the Frankford Arsenal Universal Bullet Seating Die. I saw this product for the first time at the 2020 SHOT Show, and I finally got my hands on my own set. So in this video, what I wanted to do is I wanted to show you what it is, how it works, and we're going to do some bullet seating. So this seating die has a window. We can drop the bullets in the top. What's unique about it are these inserts, the bullet seating inserts that center the case mouth and the shoulder when you're seating the bullet. It comes with 3 different stems which accommodate different length bullets that are VLD bullet compatible, which is really nice. This looks like this came set up for 308. We've also got 224, 243, 257, 264, 277, 284, 325, and 338 inserts. So what I plan to do is take this die apart. I'm going to show you the internals, then we'll get it set up and do some bullet seating. Let's get this die apart so that we can see what's inside. Currently set up for 308. I'm thinking I'm going to do some 6 arc bullet seating since I've been working with that lately. We'll put this in order so that you can see how these parts fit together. Okay. It's kind of a spring retainer there, and then we've got the insert itself. Just like that. And here's things all laid out perfectly in a straight line. We've got the thimble, the seating stem, the spring, the retainer cup, the insert, and the die body, which includes the lock ring there. Okay, so we're going to take this 308 insert and we're going to grab the 243 insert, O-ring first in there. Then we're going to put in the spring retainer, the spring, and let's see, on the stem, I think I'm going to go for the medium-sized stem. So let's take a look at the different lengths here. Yeah, okay, so we'll go for the medium stem. And then we've got the micrometer itself. So let's get this die set up. A quick note, I just referenced the chart. It looks like I do indeed need the long stem for 6 arcs, so I swapped that out just like the process I showed swapping out the insert. So we don't need this lock ring. This lock ring can be used if you're using this die on a conventional press. Frankford Arsenal M press has these die blocks, the quick change die blocks. They essentially take the place of the lock ring, so we don't need that here. I'm going to screw this down a ways. Now I have, fortunately, a reference cartridge. This is a loaded round of ammunition. It's the load that I've been working with for 6 arc. It's somewhere near 2.260, the max cartridge overall length for the AR-15 magazine, and so that's going to provide a good starting point for us. So we're going to turn the die in downward until we feel just a little bit of resistance. Make sure that the window is aligned. Tighten the set screw on our die block and then crank down the micrometer thimble until we feel it contact the bullet ogive. Right there. Now, I'm going to give it just a little bit extra, maybe like a 1/1000th of an inch or something like that. Now we can start to seat bullets. And what we can do is drop the bullet down. We're going to raise the round. You see it aligned there, and then go ahead and seat it. Very nice. You can also place the bullet onto the case if that feels more comfortable and more quick for you. Either way is going to work just fine. Seems to be working really well. So here's the 5 cartridges that I just seated bullets in. What I thought we'd do next is take this Sinclair Concentricity tool and take a look at bullet runout at the O-drive of the bullet. That's the part that's going to contact the rifling. So that looks like about plus or minus 0.02 of an inch. Plus or minus about 1/1000 plus, potentially. Not quite centered there, plus or minus 2, I would say on that one. Just over plus or minus 2 on that one. We're looking at the swing in each direction. Opposite that 0, plus or minus 1. That's a really good result. If we wanted to get tighter than that, in my experience, we would either have to have custom dies, use something like a chamber seating die. Plus or minus 0.02 of an inch is a great result for this tool. If you want one bullet seating die that's going to handle everything from 22 cal bullets to 338 bullets, this Frankford Arsenal universal bullet seating die is definitely worth a look. But here's what I want to know is, what do you think? Please drop a comment and we'll start a discussion. Are you interested in this die? Are you using other precision bullet seating dies? Please comment and I'd love to hear your feedback. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe with notifications so you don't miss all of the rest of the Frankford Arsenal action here on Ultimate Reloader. Also, I'm on Patreon, got Ultimate Reloader shirts at the Ultimate Reloader store. Links in the video description. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy shooting and happy reloading.